Hi, Martin here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a contents page to your Word document. So by the end of the video you've got a complete contents page that allows you to quickly navigate around your document. So let's get started. Okay, so here I am in my test Word document. So you can see I've got some sections and a bit of placeholder text in here. Now, there are a couple of things that we'll need to do just before we insert our contents page. Now, obviously, if you wanted to create a contents page, you could go in here and you could just start typing contents and then list it out yourself. But Word does allow you to add in an automatic contents page that will detect the sections that you have and add them on. So what we're going to do is make sure that the essentially headings sections that we want in our contents page we actually have in our document. So if those weren't there, there's nothing for Word to detect where the different contents pages should be for our list. Now, once we've got those in, we do need to make sure that for style, we have them as headings. So if we go section 1, and then I'm going to highlight section 2, heading, section 3, and then finally section 4. Now you can go ahead and edit those a little bit here with the size and so on, but essentially just make sure that style, they have heading. Now what we can do is I'm going to click here because this is where I want my contents to go, and I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click the reference tab. So from here I'm then going to the left hand side and we have table of contents. So if I click down, you can then see built in. So these are automatic tables. So there's a few different styles that you can choose from. So have a look, and I'm going to just choose automatic table 1. So you can now see that in my contents, I have my overview, my planning, my research, and my conclusions. So if I hold Control and click, it'll actually navigate me to those different sections within my document. So if I click on the contents itself, there's a couple of different options that we have up here. So we can change. So I could change to automatic table 2 if I want it to look a little bit different. And then within, I can delete, change the title of my contents page. We also have this button called Update Table. So as you are adding to your document, so if we went down and added in, so I'm going to just copy this paragraph of text, and I'm going to call this one, I'm going to have as section 5, and then I'll highlight, go back to my home and add the heading onto that one. What I can then do is go back up to my contents page, click on contents, click on update, and then say update entire table and click OK. You can then see that section 5 has now been added to my contents. So that's essentially how you can go about creating an automatic contents page that you can then update as you add to your document. So I hope this video has been useful. If it has, give the video a like, comment below, and subscribe for more. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.